Good morning, students. I welcome you all in this lovely session. Today, I am here with adjectives part 2. As we have already discussed, adjectives are the describing words or the words which modify nouns or pronouns. We have also discussed different kinds of adjectives. Quantitative adjectives and qualitative adjectives we have already discussed. So now in this session we will discuss adjectives of number. Let's begin. Adjectives of number are used to show the number of nouns and their place in an order. There are 3 different sections within adjectives of number, and they are definite numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective, and distributive numeral adjectives. Now, what are definite numeral adjectives? Let's discuss. Those which clearly denote an exact number of nouns or the order of the noun. We call them definite numeral adjective, as they give us exact number, order, or rank. Examples: 1, 2, 20, 30, 40, 50. These all numbers inexact are also called cardinal numbers. For example, we can say, I have a 50 rupee note. I paid $80 to purchase this pen. Rameshwaram temple has 1212 pillars in front corridor. Or we can say one more, like, pillar is around 30 feet high. First, second, third, seventh, 14th, 100th, these all are ordinal numbers which shows order or rank. For example, Shreya secured first position in tournament. Sometimes we use this ordinal number or sequel number to tell our address. For example, if I want to show my address or tell my address to somebody, I can say I live in Vivekanand Colony, 3rd row, 2nd house. In spite of ordinal number and cardinal number, sometimes we use numbers in multiplications also. For example, we can say single, double, triple, or like single person is allowed at a time for voting. Organizers decided to double the prize money from this season. So here we can see single and double are multiplication numeral adjective in definite category. Indefinite numeral adjective. Those adjectives that do not give an exact numeral amount but just give a general idea of the amount. For example, some, many, few, any, several, all, enough. There were many people present at the meeting. I have some friends here. She has a few pictures. He has got much money. I have enough rice. So here, few, much, many, enough, some are indefinite numeral adjectives as they are placed before nouns. Distributive numeral adjectives. Those adjectives that are used to refer to individual nouns within the whole amount, or we can say refer to each one of a number, like either, neither, each, another, other, every. Let's see examples. Taxes have to be paid by every employed citizen. Every is used here as distributive numeral adjective. Each participant was asked to complete a survey. Each Every citizen should respect and love his motherland. Every. None of my friend is unemployed. None. Both of you are invited in the birthday party. Both. Neither of them is a doctor. Neither are distributive numeral adjective. Demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives are used to point out or indicate a particular noun or pronoun. Using these adjectives like this, that, these, those, etc. Let's have examples. That bag belongs to Neil. Try using this paintbrush in art class. I really like those shoes. These flowers are lovely. Here, that, this, those, these are used as demonstrative adjectives. They are placed before nouns and particularly pointing out which bag, which paintbrush, which shoe or which flower. Let's have some more examples. Those children can speak French. Can we eat all those cakes? These mangoes are rotting. This time I won't fail you. I want those gorgeous marbles. Can you help me park that car? Here, those children, these mangoes, this time, those gorgeous marbles, and that car. Here, they are demonstrative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. Adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns or in relation to nouns. They are where, what, which and whose. As the name suggested, interrogative adjective means there is some question. Where did he say he was going? What assignment did I miss out on? Which is your favorite author? Whose pen is this? Where, what, which and whose. They are used here as interrogative adjective, asking about noun. Let's take some more examples. Which player did get a 50 yesterday? What recipe did you choose to make this dish? Whose phone did you use when you spoke to me? Which perfume did you use? So here, which player, what recipe, whose phone, which perfume are interrogative adjectives with their nouns. Let's discuss possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are words that modify the noun in order to demonstrate ownership. They are incredibly important and we use them in every conversation and paragraph without even realizing. Possessive means something belongs to us, where we want to show our ownership or possession. Let's see examples. My, mine, our, your, her, his, him. These are possessive adjectives. Can I borrow your pen? Our Prime Minister is an excellent orator. Whose car keys are missing? So here we can see your pen, our Prime Minister, whose car. So can, your, are and whose are possessive adjectives here. Always remember, a possessive adjective is also called a possessive determiner. It doesn't contain any apostrophes. Let's discuss some more examples of possessive adjectives. You can sing a song in my orchestra. My. This is our mistake. Our. This is my guest house. My. That wallet is his. So his is here possessive adjective. Those books are mine. Mine is here possessive adjective. I hope you understand these all. Read the book, go through the content thoroughly, and if you have any doubt, contact me on my personal number. Thank you.